The Cleveland National Forest project was a massive project that involved over 10 years of work, over 150 miles of power lines, over 5,000 SDG&E employees as well as our partnering contractors, and over 2,000 poles that were either replaced or removed entirely. It's been very important for us to look for ways to mitigate wildfire risk from the electric system because the Cleveland National Forest is located in what we call the Tier 3 fire risk area, which is the highest fire risk area in the county. And that's due to the steep topography, the heavy vegetation, and other factors that contribute to severe weather, including strong winds. The main benefits of the Cleveland National Forest project for our customers is the really improved electric reliability, so less frequent outages, lesser durations of outages when they do occur, and of course, the less risk of wildfire for our customers. The Cleveland National Forest project really has two main objectives. One is to consolidate over 70 different land use permits into one master special use permit, and the other is to harden the electric system to mitigate wildfire risk. The master special use permit is really important because it consolidates over 70 different special use permits into one master special use permit with similar terms and conditions. So by consolidating all of the 70 special use permits into one master special use permit, it really simplified the process, and it is now a template for other forests to use when working with utilities to mitigate fire risk. Electric system hardening is really designing and building the system to withstand severe weather conditions. So in the higher elevations, we see significant snowfall sometimes and ice loading on our electric system. And now we've built improvements in our electric system that better withstand those types of conditions by replacing wood poles with steel, thicker steel core conductor or wire. And the new poles are taller than the older wood poles, so that provides more ground clearance, as well as we designed in greater clearances between the conductors so that the risk of wire slapping together is minimized. Also, we are now taking an overhead electric system with conductors and power lines above ground and placing them underground to minimize the risk of wildfire being caused by those conductors. Nobody wants to see large, expansive fires that cause beautiful areas like this to be blackened, but more importantly, risk our customers' homes and lives. But we know that our customers will be safer for decades to come now that this project is complete.